With Electrostatic Induction Lab, you're going to split up into your mini teams. At the lab table, you'll find pieces of fur and some plastic wands. If you rub the plastic wand along the fur, you'll scrape off electrons from one to the other. If, however, you apply more pressure, then you'll scrape off more electrons. More friction, more charge. You can tell there's a charge if you put the wand near your hand. You'll feel the hairs on your hand stand up. But don't let the wand touch your hand. You don't want oils from your skin to get on the wand. It won't take the charge as well. You'll have the white wand. You also have a black wand. You'll be using both during different parts of the lab. There's a clean side and there's a dirty side on each side of the material. You want to make sure you have the clean side folded in. The outside is where your hands will touch, and you'll get oils on that material. When you bring a charged wand near the electroscope, you'll see the needle move. The greater the charge, the greater the deflection of the needle. To be safe, you should probably hold the wand from both ends. That'll help prevent the wand from touching the metal surface when you don't want it to. That metal surface is connected through a conducting material down to the needle down below. There's an insulating ring preventing it from touching the outer circle. Notice, when you touch the metal disc, it grounds the electroscope. Grounding removes the charge. When the lab wants you to transfer charge to the electroscope, you need to rub that wand along the surface of it. The wand's not a conductor, so just touching it at one point won't be enough. You need to literally scrape the charges off onto the scope. Again, touching it grounds the scope. Some troubleshooting tips. If the indicator needle does fall off, you can just put it back in. Slide it in carefully, and you want to make sure it's nicely balanced so it just hangs there. If you put it in backwards, it could teeter. Watch where that center of mass, you want it to hang nicely. If it's hanging like this, obviously it's not going to work. If it falls off the little arms that hold it in there, it won't move either. So make sure it's balanced properly so that it does shift when you put a charge on it. If you have trouble, just give me a shout and I'll come check it out for you.